Hello friends, how are you? So in this new tutorial video we are going to discuss how to do initial and basic server setup with Ubuntu 16.04 VPS Dedicated Server. To do this, what we have to do, first we have to make root login, okay, and then create a new user. First thing, if we get a new server, then we should create a new user so that we need not to log in from root every time to perform any task. Okay, so to create a new user we have to type command add user and username. So let's do this. Add user, username. User 1 is our new user. Okay, so it is now asking password for new user. Enter secure password for new user and retype the new password. Okay, now changing the user information for user 1. So you can enter all the details, or if you don't want, then just leave this empty by pressing enter. Okay, is information correct? Leave this. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to just give root privilege. Okay, the user which we created just right now is the regular user, and we can't perform the administrative task from this user. So to make or to run administrative command from this new user, we need to give the administrative privilege to this user. So how to do this? Let's check. Add this user to the pseudo group. Okay, so just this is the command g password minus a user1 sudo. Okay, just type this command g password minus a user1 sudo, adding user1 to group sudo. So user1 has been added to the group sudo. Now we can perform the root task or administrative task from this user 1. Now what we have to do, the next step on basic setup is securing your Ubuntu. So to secure your Ubuntu, you should add a SSH key, private and public key, so that if a user login, it asks for the private or public key. This is very important. How to do this? Normally people don't have an SSH key pair, that is public key and private key, so they need to generate the public and private key. Okay, if you already have, then you can skip this step, or if you don't have, then just type this command on your computer, localhost. Okay, so where is my localhost? Let's check out that. So here it is. Now what is the command? SSH keys, and this is my local host. You can check this. This is not Ubuntu server, this is my Mac, and run this command. It is like enter the file in which you want to save the key. Okay, it is saying that I already have. So if you want to create again, you have to overwrite yes. Enter the passphrase. So it is very important. You can leave this passphrase empty if you want to log in without password with SSH key. But if you want that if anyone log in to your server using SSH key, then it asks for the password, then you have to enter a passphrase here. So I'm entering a passphrase. Done. Enter it again. Done. So yes, passphrase has been, now SSH key has been created. Now it is look like something this as shown here. Okay, now copy the passphrase, SSH key, not passphrase. Copy the SSH key. To do this, print the SSH key first. Yeah, this is our SSH key. Copy this and now enter this SSH key to user 1. So go to SU user 1. Now you are inside the home directory of user 1. Okay, now run the following command: make directory SSH permission denied y okay. Now run the s command make directory.ssh change the permission. Done. Now open this file .sss select authorized keys. Okay, open this. Okay, and now enter the SSH key. So here is our SSH key, here to here. Just copy this and paste here on your Ubuntu server. Now save and exit. Okay, so SSH key has been added. Now you need to restrict the permission of the file authorized key with the help of this command chmod 600 permission 600. Okay, and exit. Okay, so now we are again on root. Now SSH key has been created and we added SSH key to new user, and now we need to disable the root login. Okay, so this is very important step. We should disable the root login from security point of view, so that we can prevent our server from hacking or brute force attack. Okay, so to do this, just type this command nano. Okay, and here it is line permit root login. You can find this. To find this, if you have a very long file, then just Control W and type what we have to find in nano editor root login. Press enter. So here it is. No, we don't want to make root login and we want to disable this, so just type no and then save and exit. Control X for save, Y, enter. So done, we have disabled the root login. Okay, now we have to restart SSH so that changes will be which we made will reflect on the server. To do this, just type service SSH restart. So done. Now when we log in to the user 1, because user 1 is a pseudo user, so we have to, if we want to run any administrative command like update or install something or delete something, then we need to write sudo before the command. For example, if you just first log into user 1, so su user 1 su minus, okay, there is some problem. Su user 1. Okay, it is asking for password for user 1. Just enter the password. Okay, now we are logging through user 1. Now if we will run the any administrative command, like we want to update apt get update in the Ubuntu version, so it is said we can't perform this task as I'm not the root user. To perform this task from the root user, you have to write sudo before the command and the command name get update, and again asking for password for the user 1. Okay, so it will update. So guys, this is done, and this was all about how to do initial and basic server setup on Ubuntu 16.04 VPS or dedicated server. If you like this video, then just click like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.